The inner critic can become a loud voice during depression. Left unchecked, it drowns out truth and possibility. Welcome to day 4. Let's talk about the inner critic. You know that voice that tells you you're not enough, you're not good enough, you'll never get loved the way you should, you'll never get it right. Depression amplifies that voice. But the truth is, you are not your thoughts. One thing I shared with someone today is, the person said, I want to know the emotion that I am. And the first thing I told her was, you are not your emotions. And that's what I'm telling you today. You are not your thoughts. Sometimes the inner critic mirrors the voices that we have heard over time, the things that people had said to us probably in childhood, and it has metamorphosed into what we tell ourselves. Today, we're going to expose the lie and replace it with the truth. Reflection. What's one lie that your inner critic is telling you regularly? That one lie. It could be that you are not good enough. You will never lose weight. You will never be loved. What is that one lie that your inner critic is telling you? Your task is to write it down. Then write a truth that replaces it. Example, I always fail. That could be a lie that your inner critic is telling you. It now becomes, I am learning and growing every day. Thank you for staying with us.
I know this video has been of help to you. Encourage us by clicking the like button. Also share with your loved one and click the notification bell. Subscribe for more info.